subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Itel has launched its new entry-level smartphone in India called Itel A60, and it is said to be the most affordable phone by the company. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone.
The Itel A60 features a tall 6.6 inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a large 90% screen to body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by a Uni-SoC AC9832E chipset, paired with Mali G820MP1 GPU, and it packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is further expandable up to 128GB via microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the Itel A60 supports an AI-featured dual-camera setup and a large squarish module at the top left corner that includes one 8MP main camera along with the VGA sensor, and for selfies it has 5MP selfie shooter under the water drop notch at the top center. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 Undercore edition, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port.
So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone.
The Itel A60 has been priced in India at 5,999 rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black, blue, and green color options.
So what do you guys think of this Itel A60 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.